Okay, now we are stand at the basins. We focusing on the American and Canada market. This basin is some difference from the domestic markets because the glove at the side. In domestic market, we produce the basins. Some gloves at the side is a higher level compared with the surface, so it can prevent the water flow out the surface. But this kind of products, in this side there is no glove, so all the surface is flat. And for the glove beside the wall, there is a small angle glove. And also for the overflow hole, we can customize different size. This one is the rectangle shape. This can prevent the water amount when water amount is bigger than the standard. So from this overflow hole, the water can flow out to prevent water drain out from the sink. This looks bigger than this one. Looks bigger than this one. It can suitable for the luxury bathroom, and also have 3 input water holes. For different kind of temperature of water, can fix the whole pipe of the faucet to satisfied with the customers. And also for this smaller one, I think this is look very small, so it can suitable for some small bathroom. And for the technology and production, it's very difficult to finalize this kind of shape. And you may see this is very narrow, and for produce this 3 hole also have some difficulty to produce. This one is for our domestic market, and you may see there is a bigger groove at both of 2 sides, can prevent the water flow out the surface, and also the sink looks very deep, can suitable for some housewife working to wash something with very big space. Later, these 2 basins looks very special shape and structure than others. This have very the deep sink, and the overflow hole is very big, and I think this is all the difference from the other basins. These 2 types are popular in Japanese market. We customized according to their specific specifications. And this one, you may see these 2 holes look like eyes, and this overflow hole in rectangle shape looks like a small mouth. So it looks like a cartoon character. This look very beautiful. Also, this one is the biggest basin. It's very large in size, and have the flat platform to put something in the bathroom. Also have the deep sink to wash something in your bathroom. So the above is my brief introduction for our basins. We have strong ability and mutual professional to develop, design, and produce all the basins as your requirement. So just free to contact us. Thank you.